Are you excited to launch your own t-shirt brand, but feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of setting up your Shopify store? You're not alone. The process can be daunting. Hi, I'm Leah from Webskitters. Why struggle through this alone? At Webskitters, we specialize in creating tailored Shopify t-shirt websites so you can focus on what you do best for designing great t-shirts. From selecting the right theme to ensuring your store reflects your brand identity, Shopify offers powerful tools, but navigating them can be a challenge. And it doesn't stop there. Once you've designed your storefront, there's customization, making sure your site looks and functions exactly how you want. Customizing your theme isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a user experience that converts visitors into loyal customers. But getting it right requires both design expertise and a deep understanding of user behavior. Next comes one of the most critical elements, integrating a payment gateway. You want to offer secure, diverse payment options, but each integration has its own setup process, potential complications, and even regulatory considerations. A misstep here can lead to payment errors, loss of customer trust, and even legal issues. And what about shipping? Setting up your shipping options, calculating rates, integrating with carriers, and handling international shipping requires precision. Incorrect shipping setups can result in lost revenue, unsatisfied customers, and even abandoned carts. Then there's managing returns and exchanges, a critical part of customer service. Setting up a hassle-free return process in Shopify requires attention to detail and clear communication with your customers. Failing to set this up correctly can lead to unhappy customers and damage your brand's reputation. All of these steps are vital for a successful Shopify t-shirt store, but they can feel like a mountain to climb. That's where Webskitters comes in. Our team of experts specializes in creating custom Shopify stores tailored to your business needs. We handle the complexities so you can focus on your passion, designing and selling t-shirts. From choosing the perfect theme and customizing it to fit your brand, to setting up secure payment gateways and efficient shipping options, we've got you covered. We even manage your return and exchange process, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. The difference? A professionally designed and developed store doesn't just look good. It performs better, drives sales, and builds trust with your customers. So why struggle through this alone? Let Webskitters take your Shopify t-shirt store to the next level. With our expertise, your dream store is just a few clicks away. Ready to get started? Visit webskitters.com today and let's build something amazing together.